come on, turn the radio.
Let's learn about phototransduction. Phototransduction is the process that converts lights into neural signals. It occurs in the retina through photoreceptor.
Cash, but I got you, baby.
Before we go through the process, let's look at the basic structure of the eye. Retina is the most important part in the phototransduction because it collects the light and fire action potential down the optic nerve. These are photoreceptors that are located in the retina, which are very sensitive to light. Let's take a rod cell as an example. The rod cell, it consists of flattened discs. Let's take a closer look on the rod cells. It consists of flattened discs. A little protein molecules named rhodopsins are found on the flattened disc. The rhodopsin consists of 7 subunits. Inside the rhodopsins, there is 11 cis retinal. Once the light hits the rhodopsin will change its conformation and the 11 cis retinal will transform to 11 trans retinal. Once the light hits the rhodopsin, the rods will be turned off. This is an example of activated rhodopsin. It has 11 trans retinal. Below it has transducin. Transducin has 3 subunits, that is alpha, beta, and gamma.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and it won't feel long. Gotta check my phone and put my white vans on. It's Friday night and it won't feel long till
The alpha subunit of transducin molecule will detach and form phosphodiesterase protein, or known as PDE, will form on the flattened disc.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Saturday and it won't feel long. Gotta grab my keys and put my game face on. It's Saturday and it won't feel long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor.
Around the flattened disc, there is abundance of cGMP.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. And I don't need no money as long as
The PDE converts the cGMP into GMP. The cGMP is responsible for the influx of sodium ion. Once the PDE has converted the cGMP into GMP, the concentration of cGMP is lower.
As long as I keep
Without cGMP, the channel is blocked. Thus, the sodium ion cannot enter into the membrane. The influx of sodium ion is decreasing. This will cause the membrane to be hyperpolarized. Hyperpolarization of the membrane will turn off the rod cell. After rod cells, it will go to the bipolar cells. So basically, there are two types of bipolar cells. That is, the on bipolar cells and the off bipolar cells. After bipolar cells, it will go to the ganglion cell. There are two types of ganglion cells. That is, the on ganglion cells and the off ganglion cells.
got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
For the on bipolar cells, when there is light, the rod is turned off. The membrane of the rod cell is hyperpolarized. Hence, there is no glutamate is released. It will activate glutamate inhibitory. For the off bipolar cells, it will only occur in the dark when there is absence of light. The rod is turned on. The membrane will depolarization, and then there will be release of glutamate. It will activate in glutamate excitatory.
I need, no, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need.
For both on and off bipolar cells, it will also activate the ganglion cells. So the membrane will depolarization and will cause more glutamate will release. Thus, ganglion cell will fire action potential. Lastly, it will send through the optic nerve and through the brain for interpretation.
I don't need no money as long as I can feel the beat. And I don't need no money as long as I keep dancing.